Hi, Tim from Fleurco here, going over the installation of a Fleurco Latitude sliding shower door. This particular door is reversible, meaning it can be set up as a left-hand or a right-hand entry based on your needs. The door consists of both a fixed panel and a sliding door panel. And for the video, we will have 4 simple steps, including layout, assembly, install, and final adjustment. We can begin by confirming the opening size and the height, and then laying out all the tools and the parts that will be needed for the installation. For the layout, we have begun by marking the center of the base, and now we can take our door side wall jamb, go ahead and place that on the center of the base, and with a level the jamb, and then mark the screw holes Once the screw holes have been marked using the appropriate drill bit, we can go ahead and drill the holes. It's important to remember when drilling through tile, use a 1/4-inch bit with the green anchors provided in the box for you. Once the holes have been drilled, we can go ahead and mount the door side jamb, being sure to place silicone behind the screw holes, as well as in the bottom corner where the base and the walls meet. I've already placed the decorative cap covers on the screws for later. Now that the wall jamb has been mounted and silicone has been placed behind it, I can go ahead and grab the fixed panel for the assembly of the frame. For assembly, we have the fixed panel here. We're going to begin by assembling the rails and putting 2 screws in each of the 4 corners. During this time, we're also going to note that we make sure the Microtech coating is facing the inside of the shower, which you can tell by the label or also the little rib on the back of the glass panel here. On the inside, as well as the magnetic jamb on the inside. We can set it aside and go ahead and grab the door panel to assemble the rollers. For the assembly of the door panel, we want to make sure that we have our Microtech coating again on the inside. We've already placed our handle, and you also want to make sure that the magnetic strip is facing outward. For the rollers, there's 2 sets. One set is a spring-loaded roller that goes at the bottom of the door. The other set is an adjustable roller that has a Phillips head screw in the bottom to go at the top. Once the wheels have been assembled, again making sure that the adjustable screws are at the top, spring-loaded rollers are at the bottom, we can go ahead and place the center gasket on, making sure to do so gently to not bend the plastic. Once that's complete, we can go ahead and place a piece of cardboard down inside the base or a tarp and place the door panel inside the shower. Now we can begin the install of the frame. We're now prepared to install the frame of the door. We're going to do so by walking it into the shower, being sure to make sure that we have our other wall jamb on the fixed panel side already in place. Once the fixed panel is in place, we can make sure that we're on our center line, and then go ahead and level and mark the jamb for where the screw holes can be drilled, just like the other side. Once the holes have been drilled, we again want to make sure to silicone behind the holes, as well as behind the corner, and then we can go ahead and mount our panel. Panel mounted, we can go ahead and hang the shower door. Once the door is in place, be sure to clip the bottom spring rollers. Into the rail. With the bottom rollers and the door installed, we can go ahead and start any adjustments necessary. Adjustments can be made by the 2 Phillips head screws inside the rollers at the top, as well as the stop to stop the door from sealing on the inside of the rail. Once everything's been adjusted, we can go ahead and complete the install by placing all the tap screws inside the frame, as well as siliconing the perimeter of the shower. We've now completed the final installation of the Fleurco Latitude shower door. We again have double checked that the rollers have been adjusted at the top. The stop inside the rail has been adjusted to give us a good magnetic seal against the wall. We've also trimmed the inside gasket to prevent rubbing against the frame, and placed all the decorative cap covers on the inside of the shower. If we've siliconed the entire perimeter of the exterior of the door, our installation is now complete, and hopefully this has helped with any questions you had with the installation of the Fleurco Latitude shower door.